Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on my E34 525 turbo. Finally! It's been a long time since I've done any changes or upgrades to that car. So today I think it's time to do some good upgrades. And what we're going to do is actually change out the exhaust system on that car, because now it is a 2.5-inch wide exhaust from the turbo and all the way back. So today we are swapping that to a 3-inch exhaust pipe, and we're changing the mufflers. So I have two vibrant mufflers in the rear right now, and to be honest, I don't really like how it sounds right now. I think it's kind of like raspy. I don't quite know how to explain it, but I don't like the way it sounds right now. So hopefully with new bigger exhaust and different mufflers it will look a lot better. So as you probably can tell, I'm not in my E34 right now, I'm in my E39. So let's just swap over to my E34, unbox that new exhaust system or used exhaust system, and then get it installed. E34, and well, it's a good feeling. It's such a different feeling than driving the E39, but I mean, it's a good feeling. We're getting up to a tunnel right here, and I will show you how it sounds right now. I will also get a few GoPros on the car, so we will hear how it sounds right now properly, and we will see afterwards as well. Now you see my exhaust is in the back here. Really excited about unboxing that and see how it is. Okay, tunnel pull, let's go. Whoa! Now, let's see if we get some traction now. No, we don't. By the way, I have got myself a new air filter. It's kind of cool. I'll maybe put this on my Nissan 200 SX later. I don't know, but I think it looks kind of cool. Turbo produces a lot of heat, so need to get that away from the turbo. I've also installed that cover right there. I've been missing that ever since I bought the car, so finally I got my hands on one of those. So now it looks a little bit cleaner in the front. MagnaFlow muffler. Cool. This will be the rear muffler. Think it will be kind of cool looking. Yeah, sweet. Okay, here we have the downpipe right there. 2.5 inch, and we have a little bit of like a flex pipe right there, kind of in the rough condition. Not going to swap that out today. And 2.5 inch all the way, vibrant muffler right there, and a vibrant muffler right there, as you see, with 2 tips. So now we're going to swap that out to this exhaust system we have right here, with that kind of muffler in the rear, and this is 3-inch pipes all the way. So I think this will be a good upgrade. And I don't like that this bend also almost goes into the wheel. When I have wider wheels, this is not a good clearance. So the bend on the new exhaust is kind of more like this, will give me a lot more clearance right there. And I see that the new muffler is not that long. I hope this will be a better sound. I mean, M50 B25 with a turbo, I mean, that should sound sick. And right now it sounds good, but I think it could sound better. Here we see the Wastegate, and it is welded into the downpipe. I could have that open with a screamer pipe. I'm not going to do that today. I don't think I will, but because that is simply like too, yeah, it's too insane. I don't know, maybe later, I don't know. But I will probably swap out downpipe later. But for today, I think we're going to actually cut from here and then mount on the new exhaust, and I will swap this part out later. But for today, swap out from here, remove the muffler, install a new one, and remove the muffler in the back and install a new one. Okay, let's start it up and see how it sounds with no exhaust whatsoever. This is fake. Oh, good. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. It's really quiet actually. Excited to see how it is under load. sounds really good, but it sits also very low to the ground. That's not so good. I think it kind of sounds a little bit like a 2JC or something. Sounds really cool. Not a 2JC, but it sounds a lot cooler than it did. So I am very happy. Now let's do a few test runs and compare the sound from before and how it is right now, so you can hear for yourself the sound and how it really is. I think it sounds a lot better. It sounds so much better. I mean, in my eyes, this is a new world. I mean, it doesn't sound that much louder than it was previously, and I kind of like that. I was kind of worried that it would kind of be like too much, like too loud. I mean, this is a car I drive on the streets, so I do not want it to be too loud. And like right now, we're driving in 4th gear, 2000 RPMs. It's all right. It's not too bad. I'm like, it feels like a regular stock car, and I mean, that's good. But when you get on it, it has a smooth, really smooth sound, and I really enjoy that. I feel like before it was kind of like raspy, and I don't know, it was not like really defined, but now it feels like a sweet, smooth. Okay, that camera just went out of battery, so we will have to do with the other one. So like I said, this feels really smooth and like really better. It sounds better. We went from 2.5 inch and now we have 3-inch exhaust almost all the way. I am missing downpipe of course, but still I think it sounds a lot better, so I'm really happy with today. The only downside, to be honest, with this exhaust is that it hangs really low compared to my other ones, so that kind of sucks, but I will have to fix that later and get it to be like a little bit higher, closer to the chassis and not the ground, because that's not good. So yeah, really happy about today. Now I really am ready for spring and driving this car more and more and more. And the sound on this thing is it's so good. I mean, I could probably also remove one muffler more and just have one muffler in total. I don't think that will be like very loud if I have it like that. I don't know, but I'm happy now. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe also and like the video if you did enjoy this video. See you later.